viewers, Abdurrahim Khan from Free IT Education. If you are interested to make a desktop application in Python, yes, Python. So watch this video. So watch a video before that where we talk about the video series that we're gonna make it, and we're gonna teach how to make a desktop application using Python. Okay, so in the last video, I have shown you this interface. So this is totally made in Python. So, and we're going to talk about how this has been made. And in the today's lecture, we only going to cover to make how to create a text box using Python. Okay, let's jump in. Okay, so our code starts here. So if name is equal to main, as people who are aware about the Python, it is just like the starting point for Python to interpret a program, or like a beginning. For people using C language, so the main method, the Java main method, so it's just like a beginning point. So we just calling the main method from here, and then we are going to call this function which is called rotate angle. So we're going to go into the rotate angle definition, but before we go into that, let's jump to the very top of this code where we talk about all the libraries which are important for you to create a desktop application, and you need to install all those libraries before you can make a desktop application in Python. Okay, yes, and that is the magic here. So the library that we are using is called tkinter, and tkinter is a full set of library which will allow you to create various different elements on the desktop application, like labels, like message alert box, like a button, and a lot of different things we will learn. So we have imported that. So here we have imported a message box which we will use it in the coming lectures, and we have also used another library, math library, which we're going to use it for the desktop application which I have shown you. So here I have created an instance of this as call them a window, and what we'll do, so it will give us an opportunity to have like this window here. Okay, and then what we're going to do, so we put it a title to our window, which means this title here, drawing assignment. So we put it that there. Now we are creating a canvas, which is basically a working area or a place where we will be putting our elements in that canvas. Okay, so we got a width and a height, and we are using a tkinter a canvas a class which is taking an input of window, a width and a height, and we get the instance of that as W. Okay, so we're gonna come back to this later on, and this one later on. So let's first jump in to the definition of the rotate angle. So when we call main, it will call rotate angle. So rotate angle, what does rotate angle have got a definition? It is using a label. So it is using tkinter.label, and this W is basically an instance of that, so which is basically the canvas. And then we putting in a text, which means the label will be called rotation angle in degree, and dot pack is basically a method which will create this label in relationship to the other element. Okay, we will be talking about that in more detail. So that's how we create a label. Okay, so tkinter.label, and we putting in this instance W, which is basically a canvas, and then we putting in text, and then we are just calling the pack. The next thing is to create a text box. Okay, for the text box, we have got an entry, which is taking this instance. And another interesting thing is called text variable is equal to rotate angle. What does that mean? Like when tkinter will create a text box, and if you want to reference it or use it for other purpose to get the value of various different operation, so we need to have a variable name for it. So we call them rotate angle. Okay. And another interesting thing is, before we can use it, we need to make it a rotate angle is basically of string variable. Okay. So it will just be of this type, and then we will be able to use it. Okay. So in today's lecture, what we have learned, we have imported the tkinter library, we have created the canvas, we have assigned the title, and then we have created a label and a text box. When I run this, so see what happens. So let me run that. Okay, so I have got this file called desktop python.py, so I'm running it. So if you run that, so all it is doing it, as you can see, that it created a window and it created this title, and this is the label, and that is the text box. Okay. So, and this Python will be keep running it until unless you close that. Okay. So now the Python file is closed and that window is closed. The last thing is, as you can see that this window was running and it was not closed. The thing which is keep it running and keep it open is this file, is this line here, window.main loop. This is the very important line you need to put in for window to just keep it like that. Okay. So if you do not write it, so then it won't appear. Okay. So I hope this has been informative. Give us a comment, and if you do not understand, leave your comment, and I will get back to you. And stay tuned for future videos, and we will be recording more of these videos. So we will create this whole app desktop application step by step. So today we just basically created this part of it. Okay, I hope it has been informative. Like this video, share with your friend, and subscribe to Free IT Education, and stay tuned for future video. Bye for now.